There was several moments during my time over the last year that I volunteered that really struck me as, wow, I can make a small difference. My experience has so far been exceptional. I loved being involved with the Glitter Gala. I brought my leadership team with me, and we were a sales force. It became very clear that there was a bigger mission and a bigger purpose that I could become involved with the Seattle Goodwill, because they offer systemic change, and that really spoke to me. My name is Naramore, and I'm a Seattle Goodwill volunteer.